The Cuisinart Compact Air Fryer Toaster Oven is designed for people who want multiple cooking options in a smaller countertop appliance. Combining air frying and toaster oven functionality, this stainless steel unit offers 6-in-1 cooking functions, making it a practical choice for everyday meals where flexibility and space efficiency matter. Instead of needing separate appliances for different tasks, this model brings several cooking methods together in one compact design. The air fryer function is useful for preparing foods with a crisp texture using circulating hot air, while the toaster oven design adds versatility for other kitchen needs. This makes it suitable for users who want a convenient countertop solution for cooking, reheating, baking, and toasting without relying on a full-size oven for smaller portions. The adjustable temperature feature gives users more control over the cooking process, allowing settings to be changed based on the type of food being prepared. For everyday cooking, that flexibility can be helpful when working with different recipes that require different heat levels. The included oven rack also adds to the appliance's usefulness by providing a dedicated surface for oven-style cooking tasks. One of the biggest advantages of this Cuisinart model is its compact form factor. It is aimed at kitchens where counter space is limited, but where having multiple cooking functions is still important. The stainless steel exterior also gives it a clean, modern appearance that can fit well with many kitchen setups. Because this is a compact appliance, it is best suited for users looking for convenience and versatility rather than replacing a larger oven for high-volume cooking. Those who regularly prepare large meals may need a bigger cooking capacity, but for smaller households, quick meals, snacks, and everyday countertop cooking, the combination of air fryer and toaster oven functions can be a useful addition. Overall, the Cuisinart Compact Air Fryer Toaster Oven focuses on practical versatility, offering multiple cooking functions, adjustable temperature control, and a space-saving design. It is a strong option for anyone looking for a stainless steel countertop appliance that can handle a variety of cooking tasks in one unit.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.